Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video we have the top 5 favorite model airplanes in my collection. It's very hard to pick exactly 5, so these are just kind of the first ones that came to my head. And now that I'm looking at it, there's a lot more that I wish I had picked. But we'll just stick to these. Mainly these are because of either the gorgeous liveries, or they have a special meaning, or I just think it's a good model. So starting off at the first one, we have a United Airbus A319. This is one of my favorite models because the engines are just perfect. The tint from the blue, so you can see the engines here, are just perfect. And then the tint from the blue is just, I love it. Of course, it focuses on the grass behind it and not the actual airplane. That's just my luck. But I really like this model. I don't know, I genuinely think I love their new livery. It just really pops out more than the old one. And I know it took a lot of people a long time to actually get used to the new livery for United. And I am liking it so far. And the beautiful United all blue across the windows. So yeah, we'll get on to the next airplane. Coming in at number 4, we have the Southwest 737-700. This is in the Tennessee 1 livery. I think I just like this model mainly because of the livery. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous livery. The red and the I really like the white stars with the blue in the background. I think that is very nice, and that it goes on the engine as well. This is just a very gorgeous model, and I highly recommend it to anybody that doesn't have it. It was not pricey at all. So far, my landing gear hasn't fallen off. I don't know if you've heard, but I lost 4 models to landing gear. It's gonna be okay. But yeah, so they're currently not in service until I get the parts from Geminijets. So yeah, we'll go on to the next one. Coming in at 3rd place, we have the JetBlue Airbus A321. This is a gorgeous model. I've really been wanting this for a long time, and I'll tell you the quick story of how I got this. I was at Easy Toys website. That sounds a bit weird, but they have like a store, not a store front, but they like their retailer where they have all the models. And I was going through them, like picking out. They let me come in, so shout out to them, I guess. But they let me come in and pick models and buy them, of course. But I was just going through them all, and I found this one. I was like, oh dang, I'm gonna have to cop that. Really, cop that. And yeah, so this is a gorgeous model. I'll go over it really quick. I know I have a squeaky tripod. Please do not blame me. And if this thing does not work, oh sweet Lord Jesus, I'm gonna chuck it out the window. Zoom out and then zoom back in. I'm just gonna go this far. But yeah, it's a gorgeous model. I really like the tail part, as you can see all the way back here. It's a there's fuzz on it, that just figures. But I really like the prism, I guess you could say, part of it. And so yeah, this is coming in at number 3. Coming in at number 2, we have the Airways Airbus A330. If you live in Switzerland, it is pronounced Edelweiss, I believe. The W's are their V's, last I checked. This is just a gorgeous model. This is by Phoenix. It's just a gorgeous model. I really like their livery. It's not really Euro white because the tail, the winglets in the front, and the big letters. Like, I mean, this is you don't usually see this big of letters on an airplane. But it's really just a gorgeous livery, and my favorite part has to be the flower. That's just gorgeous detail, as you can see. I really like it. I highly recommend this model. Probably not available anymore, but it is very detailed, all the way from the antennas to the Wi-Fi boxes at the top. And yeah, this is a gorgeous model, coming in at number 2. I highly recommend it. But yeah, I don't think it's really Euro white because they really have a lot of intricate details on the back and even on the winglets. So yeah, this is number 2. Coming in at number 1, we have the British Airways Boeing 747. This is just words can't describe it, and if they retire it, oh lord, you're gonna have to put up a fight with me, because this is just a gorgeous livery. And the 747s also have like a special place in my heart, even though I've never flown one. They're just gorgeous liveries, and the queen of the skies, as you know. One of my favorite parts is the tail, just like the red and blue stripes, red, white, and blue, I guess you could say. It just means a lot. I don't know, I just like it a lot. Another special feature on this particular model is the gold nose cone. Probably not gonna focus knowing my crappy camera. Yeah, told you. What did I say? Oh, would you look at that? See, the gold nose cone, very gorgeous. I really like that part. The Geminijets did a fantastic job on this model, and also this part, the like swoop thing. I really like that part. Like, it goes from blue and then goes to white and then boom, red right across the windows. And the upper deck is really just a neat feature on the 747. So that is why it's coming in at number 1. So yeah, these are my top 5 favorite models. Coming in at number 1, the British Airways 747. Number 2, the Elderwees Airbus A330. Number 3, the JetBlue Airbus A321. Number 4, Southwest 737-700 Louisiana 1. And number 5, United Airbus A319 in the new livery. As you can see, these are gorgeous models by various carriers. Geminijets all the way to Phoenix and Aero Classics. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the airport update this Friday. Peace out.